Taming Worries with Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. Even though you practice controlling your thoughts and worries, there are still concerns that just won't leave your mind, no matter how hard you try. To tackle these persistent worries, you can utilize a tool called the Worry Box. It's a box with a lid where you can place your worries. The lid has a timer that grants you a dedicated worry time. For example, you might decide to open the Worry Box between 5 p.m. and 5:15 p.m. on weekdays when you return from work. Once the worry time is over, you close the box and practice letting go of your worries. This way, you limit your worries and regain control over when you choose to address them. If you have recurring concerns about your relationship with your partner, you can place those worries in the Worry Box and only allow yourself to worry during the designated worry time. And if new worries arise during the day, you can confidently put them in the Worry Box, knowing you have scheduled time to address them later. Using the Worry Box requires practice, and initially a few thoughts might escape when you try to close the lid. However, the more you use it, the better you'll become at managing your worries. Eventually, you may experience days when you don't even need to use your worry time, and that's perfectly okay. You can keep the Worry Box closed, embracing the sense of freedom and peace.